Hello everyone, welcome back to Geography series in which we are going to discuss entire Indian geography for your examination. Today's topic is minerals. So in this lecture we are going to discuss important minerals and in India what are the places where you can find these minerals. So what are the states associated with it? Number one is coal, most abundant use. So first place is West Bengal. Where in West Bengal, name of the mines you have to remember. Number one is Raniganj mine. Second is Burdwan mines. Third is Bankura mine, Purolio mine, Birbhum mine. Okay. Then Jalpaiguri mine and Darjeeling. Actually, there are two places. One Darjeeling place is in West Bengal and the other one is Sikkim. So these are the places you have to remember for West Bengal. MCQs can be asked, match the following can be asked. Then comes second, Jharkhand. Let's change the color. Jharkhand, Jharia mines, very famous Jharia mines. Then Giridih mines, Kharhavadi mines, Bokaro mines, this is important, put a star on Bokaro mines. Then comes Hazaribagh, again put a star. Hazaribagh mines, then Kamapura mine, Rampur mine and Palamau mine. This is everything that you will find in Jharkhand. Number third, Odisha. Then again Rampur, as they are neighbors, Rampur spread across both the states. Hindgir, Talcher, this is important, put a star on Talcher mines. Then Sambhal, last is Sambhal mine. The next, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh together we are going to study. Number one is Rewa, put a star on it, Rewa mines. Rewa, then Pench Valley, Umaria, Korba, put a star on Korba. So Hagpur and near Mand river area, Betul is important, Betul mine, it is very important. Then Kahana valley is very important, put a star on. So these mines are spread across both Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Okay, so these are major states: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. 5 states of coal and various mines across these 5 states that you have to remember. As the power sector is the largest consumer of coal in India, followed by the steel. So maximum coal is used in the generation of power, which is electricity. Fine. Now second, manganese, Odisha and Maharashtra. Where in Maharashtra? Let's find out. Number one is Nagpur. Manganese is found in Nagpur. Then Bhandara and Ratnagiri. Put a star on Ratnagiri. Ratnagiri is important in Maharashtra. Then comes in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, 2 places, Chhindwara and Balaghat. Balaghat and Chhindwara. These are the 2 important places in Madhya Pradesh. Then comes number third, Karnataka. Karnataka is important. Where in Karnataka? Kionjhar mines, Punai mines, Kalahandi mine. You have to put a star on Kalahandi. Kalahandi is important of Madhya Pradesh. Then last is Andhra. Sorry. Andhra Pradesh, Kadur and Garibati. Kadur and Garibati mines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 states of manganese in India. Okay. Now next is copper. Let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. Where in Madhya Pradesh? Only Balaghat. Copper is fine. Then Rajasthan. Put a star on Rajasthan. Rajasthan has abundance copper produce. Where? Khetri mines. Khetri mines in Rajasthan. Abundance of copper. When we talk about Indus Valley civilization, we discussed that people, Indus Valley people, they used to send their people, used to send their expeditions where in Rajasthan to get copper because it was widely used in their art craft production. Then third state is Jharkhand. Where in Jharkhand? Singhbhum. Put a star on Singhbhum. Singhbhum is important. Then Masobani and Surda. Only important mine is, you have to remember, everyone living Singhbhum is comparatively more important. Then last state is Karnataka, Chitradurg and Hassan. Again put a star on Chitradurg. So Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Karnataka, 4 states. 4 states of copper with maximum in Rajasthan. Fine. Then next is mica mines. Mica. Mica mines. Number 1 place, Jharkhand. Where? Hazaribagh Plateau. Hazaribagh. Put a star. Hazaribagh. Then second, Giridih. Giridih. And third is Kodarma. Number 1, Hazaribagh Plateau. Put a star. It is important for mica. Then second place, second state is Bihar. Where in Bihar? Gaya, or it is known as Goya. Goya or Gaya or Bhagalpur. 2 places, Gaya and Bhogalpur. Then third is Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Put a star on Guntur. Then Vizag is Vishakhapatnam. Put a star, and Kurnool. Put a star. Andhra Pradesh. All these 3 places are important. Guntur, Vizag is Vishakhapatnam and Kurnool. Then next is Rajasthan. Again mica is very abundant. Bhilwara, Udaipur and Jaipur. These 3 places are abundant in Rajasthan. And when we talk about marble where we can find in Kishangarh mine. Kishangarh place, Kishangarh mine. Then next, petroleum. We have petroleum refineries spread across India. Let's talk about petroleum refineries. Let's talk about petroleum refineries. Number 1, Assam. Where in Assam? Digboi. Put a star. Nahar Katia. Put a star. Then Badarpur, Masinpur and Palharia. So these are, Digboi and Nahar Katia is important. Put a circle or put a star on it. Then second is Gujarat. Gujarat, Ankleshwar, put a star. Kalol, put a star, and Khambat. Ankleshwar is important, Kalol is important. Okay. Next is Mumbai High Basin, which is south of Mumbai High. It is very important, maximum of the production. If we don't import oil or petrol, then we extract from this place, specifically Mumbai High. Then recently oil has been discovered in the Kaveri Basin, Krishna Basin, Godavari Basin, Khambat Basin, etc. But these 4 places are extremely very important for petroleum. Fine. Then next, another most important, iron or iron ore. Iron ore. India possesses hematite, which is a high grade iron ore. So in India, hematite is available in abundance. So where it is found? Madhya Pradesh. Where in Madhya Pradesh? Bailadila mines and Jabalpur mines. Put a star. Bailadila and Jabalpur. Then in Goa, North Goa, Karnataka, Baba Budan Hills, Chikmagalur and Hospet. Put a star on these 3. Hospet, Chikmagalur and Baba Budan Hills. Then next we talk about Jharkhand, again Singhbhum and now Mundi. Singhbhum and now Mundi. Singhbhum and now Mundi. Okay. So in Singhbhum copper was also found, and some parts of Andhra Pradesh and some parts of Odisha as well. So India is the 5th largest exporter of iron ore in the world. Japan is the biggest buyer. So we do not import it, we export it, and Japan is the biggest buyer. So these are major ports. In last lecture we discussed there are major ports handling only iron ore exports. So from these ports only iron ore is being exported. What are they? Visakhapatnam, Paradweep, Marmagaon, which is in Goa, Paradweep in Odisha, Visakhapatnam in Andhra, and Mangalore in Karnataka. So these are specifically designed to export iron ore only. The next is bauxite. Bauxite production. It is the chief ore for producing aluminium. So when we are producing aluminium, bauxite is the raw material used. So where it is found in Odisha? Where in Odisha? Kalahandi, Puttasar, Koraput, Sundargarh, Bolangir and Sambalpur. Bolangir and Sambalpur, important. Then second is Jharkhand, Bumla and Lohargada, Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, Mandla, Shahdol, Kami, Balaghat. Then some parts of Maharashtra, some parts of Andhra Pradesh, some parts of Gujarat and some parts of Tamil Nadu. So Odisha place you have to remember, and some places of Jharkhand. Odisha is more important. Then comes gold, KGF reference. So where it is found? Kolar fields, Kolar gold fields, KGF. Then Uti and Raichur. All these three places are important. Then in Andhra Pradesh, Ramgiri, Yepamana gold fields in Chittor and Anantapur districts. Again important. Then next, silver, zinc and lead. So in Rajasthan, Zawar mines near Udaipur specifically for these three. Then Andhra Pradesh, Mysore and Chitradurg, Karnataka, Kolar mines. The next is uranium. Where uranium is found? Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Let's see. Jadugoda and Jharkhand. Rajasthan where? Ajmer. Then Andhra Pradesh, Nellore and Nalgonda. MCQ, important. And Karnataka, Gulbarga. Then thorium near the Kerala and near Aravali. Thorium is found. Then comes last topic, oil refineries. So currently there are 23 oil refineries in India. Number 1, Haldia. Then second is Mumbai oil refinery. Third is Panipat. Fourth, Visakhapatnam. Then Digboi in Assam. Mumbai refinery. Gujarat refinery. Nagpatnam. Baruni. Kochi, Guwahati, Numaligarh, Mathura, Mangalore, then Bogaigaon, Tatipaka, Manali, Isar, Jamnagar, Guru Gobind, Paradweep, Bina, Jamnagar. All these are refineries. And lastly, Jamnagar mein there are 2 major Jamnagar refineries. So these are 23 refineries. You have to remember some of these, like Haldia, you have to remember Digboi, remember Baruni is important. Then Tatipaka, Jamnagar, Bina, all these 4-5 are important to remember. Just write it down that which state these refineries belong to. These belong to which states. So these are the major minerals. And as you know, all the major minerals are come under the governance of the central government, not under the state government. Okay, so that's all for the minerals. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.